Here's how to link a bank account on the Robinhood app. You can link an account with Plaid, which lets you do instant deposit, or you can link an account manually. We'll take a look at both of those. So we're going to click on our little person icon in the lower right, and that's our profile. Once we're there, we're going to go to the upper left and get into the menu. Inside of here, if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see transfers. And so we click on transfers and we go down a little bit more inside of here, and we'll see this linked accounts section. And so that'll show you any bank accounts or debit cards you already have linked. To link a new account, we click add account. Once we're in here, we can add a debit card or a bank account. We just click bank account to add a bank account, and this Plaid connector pops up. Now you can continue as a guest down here at the bottom, or if you already have a Plaid account, you can use your phone number or whatnot. I would just click continue as guest. That will take you to selecting a bank. And then once you select your bank, you basically use your login to connect via Plaid to Robinhood. Now you have to get to this point right here to then click the exit button to do this manually. So this is how you link a bank account using Plaid. If you want to link an account manually, you click on the X button. It'll ask if you're sure, yes, exit, and then it lets you do this manually. So you can choose whether it's a checking account or a savings account, and once you click in there, it'll basically let you insert your routing number, put in your account number, and link your bank account manually. And that's pretty much it. So once you link an account, you're going to see that in here in this linked accounts section. But that's how you can link a bank account on Robinhood.